Setting up a new Wi-Fi router doesn't have to be complicated. In this video, I'll show you how to easily install your Netgear Nighthawk router using the Nighthawk app in just a few simple steps. First, download the Netgear Nighthawk app from the App Store or Google Play. Next, attach the provided antennas to your router, if your model includes them. Then connect your modem to the internet port on your Nighthawk router. Now, power on the router. Wait a moment until the Wi-Fi LED light turns on and becomes stable. Turn your router around and check the label on the back or bottom. Here, you'll find your default Wi-Fi network name, also called the SSID, and the network key or password. On your iOS or Android phone, open Settings, then tap Wi-Fi. From the list of available networks, select the Wi-Fi name shown on your router's label and enter the password. Once connected, open the Netgear Nighthawk app on your mobile device. Now simply follow the on-screen instructions in the app to complete the setup and connect your router to the internet. And that's it. Your Netgear Nighthawk router is now installed and ready to use. Thanks for watching.